What's about my clothes? Yeah. Model pose. Yeah. How do I look now? I make weight lost. Yo, look at this. It's so balmy because I go extras. Ano ko kang mag shirts? Lovely looking darling. Hello, thank you. Rami Sharma, you look sexy. Sexy, sexy. You know guys, I need more views. Last time when I go live, I get 200 plus view. I get 500 last time. Jim, you are a gem of this world. She? Okay. Like the live. Yeah. You know, I miss my viewer. That is Joey, my one of my avid viewers. I know where he go. So he always go to my live once a week, twice a week because he's busy on his job. I don't see him anymore. Last time I see him in a Bigo live. When I go to Bigo live, he followed me there. You can pick your IG here also, but I don't know that. Are you going to sleep? Yeah, I'm going to sleep because that's my eyes. I always sleep late at night. Okay, pin. What's your pin? Okay, I try. I try. Where's the pin here? No, I don't know. Pin. What's pin? Okay, pin message. Well, did I put the pin message? Where? Some later. Yeah, you're late. Where's the pen message? Hmm? I find it. Unpin. What's that? I don't know how to use. This place cotton buds. What's that? What's the style? Okay, thank you for watching. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to live tomorrow, same time. So please watch my live every night and please subscribe. And guys, I need your subscription and also your join membership. I'm sad that I can watch you longer if you want. Yeah, because I'm almost an hour ago here. I'm so very aching with my back and also my eyes being open. You can watch my upload live videos highlights. Just like this. Hello, Bumblebee, please like my live. Okay, speak slowly your IG. Instagram. Oh, my Instagram is Naomi Hamarlin. That's again Naomi, and you add Hamarlin. That's Jarmarolin. That's Hamarlin. Jamarolin. Sounds like Jamarolin. Jamarolin. That's it. And Naomi. Hello, hello, Kagar Naomi. Okay. I'm going to sleep. Sorry, Bumblebee. You're late. You're late comers. Very late. You're very late comers. Di ko na siya maihabol. You made the kind of moods. Yung ba,